He did. I want green sun. Green sun? Yeah, I want green sun.
Now let's add the sun. I'm all done. I made a zombie sun. And I make a zombie world.
You know one day the sun will disappear and forever, and then you'll.
No, oh my god.
It's true.
Put some white in your
A sun's a star, right?
Yeah.
Stars disappear.
Yeah, stars disappear.